everyone, my name is Nelica Camilla Casupang of HUMSS 11D to fulfill the midterm examination in English for academic and professional purposes or EAPP in the form of video presentation focusing on thesis statement. A thesis statement serves as a summarization that shows your stand on a certain topic under discussion. It tells the reader what to expect and what to look for out of your paper. The first step in writing a thesis statement is identifying the problem of a certain topic by distilling it into a question, and from that question, you should now be able to form a statement by answering it. With that being said, we will now discuss the questions or the things that should be remembered while making a thesis statement. First is, where is your thesis statement? The readers should see the thesis statement in the first paragraph or even in the second paragraph for them to have a sense of direction by knowing already where you stand on this topic. We should avoid putting the thesis statement at the middle for it to be buried or hidden in the paragraphs. Second, is your thesis statement specific? There are general discussions that the public might already know, so the thesis statement should be as clear as possible and should only cover your chosen topic. Third, is your thesis statement too general? It should be straight to the point to get the clear view or objectives of the topic and to avoid confusions. Lastly, is your thesis statement clear? We should avoid using technical or vague words that might confuse the general readers. There are terms or specific slangs that only specific audiences could understand, so it's better to use statements that everyone could follow. That's all for this discussion. Once again, I am Nelica Camilla Casupang of HUMSS 11D. Thank you for listening.
Summarizing means identifying the main idea and most important facts, then writing a brief overview that includes only those ideas and details. A good summary is short and straight to the point. We have 5 examples of strategy in summarizing. The first one is the somebody wanted but then. It is excellent summarizing strategy for a story. The second one is the SAAC method. SAAC stands for State, Assign, Action, Complete. It is very helpful for students who are learning the format of summary and needs to include the title and author's name. However, SAAC does not include clear guidance. Some students might find it tricky. The third one is the 5 W's and 1 H. This strategy relies on 6 questions: the who, what, when, where, why, and how. Those questions make it easy to identify the main character, important details, and main idea. First, then, finally is also on our list. The first, then, finally technique helps the students summarize in chronological order. 3 words represent the beginning, main action, and conclusion of a story. Give me the gist is the last strategy in summarizing. When someone asks for the gist of the story, they want to know what the story is about. In other words, they want summary, not a retelling of the story.
So, then go to Arabic numerals. 1, 2, 3. In the second level of subdivision, use small letter. Next, in the third level of subdivision, you need to include the purpose of and central idea, introduction, and conclusion. These are the 2 important elements in the speech. This is the example statement. A visual media is a communicated medium. The practice is often persuade with a commodified and result in mind. However, visual media is important component of social discourse that relies on the object exploration of practitioners in order to retain an authentic voice. For the reason, new paradigms for visual investigation that treat art and design practice as a social science should be pursued in order to maintain a healthy society. 1. History of visual media. A. Cave paintings. B. Early books. C. Traditional, commercial, and contemporary design. 2. Importance of history. Society is an intensive, pragmatic answer. Building on knowledge. Number 3. Modern psychology impact. Marshall McLuhan, communication is as a culture. 4. Conclusion. Social science should be pursued in order to maintain a healthy society. Topic outline. A topic outline is a systematic arrangement of ideas, using words and phrases for headings and subheading. In the standard system of subdividing, you need to mark your points with Roman numeral 1, 2, 3, and so on, indent the next level of supporting materials underneath and mark the capital letters ABC and so on, then go